Alright, this is just to show you how to download Skype. So you need to go to skype.com, just type it into the address bar and press enter or the little green arrow, and off we go to Skype. Don't want you to pay for Skype, so we want you to get Skype for the computer system that you're working on. Windows computer is the one I'm using, but you need it for Mac if you've got a Mac. Then don't get the premium version, just get the free version, so download Skype. And you may have to go past a couple of security alerts or Windows blockers, just get past those to allow you to download. This one's going to ask me to generate an account first, so I'll just put in my name and a real email address. You can put in a false name if you like, but it's okay to put in a real name because people can find you then. Certainly your email address might be useful too, because if in case you lose or forget your password, you may want it sent to you. So put in university email is probably the best one to use. Then you can make up much of this other information, although I think you probably may want to put in correct things if you need to give sort of password protection systems. You should put in your real city and leave it set to Australia. You don't have to put your mobile phone in unless you want to use it for your mobile phone, and then you probably have to pay. So at this point, just leave it blank. Say how you'd like to use Skype, then you'll have to generate a Skype name that may have to be unique, so you'll get a funny kind of mixture of your own name as their suggestions, but you can come up with your own suggestion, or you can, in my case, I can use my old Skype name, which you can probably see there, and then you'll have to generate a password and repeat that, and keep the security code the same, and then agree to the terms and conditions. After that, Skype will actually download. Maybe just generated the account, so I've got to again allow it to run or to save the file. If you save the file, you have to remember where you've saved the file, and in this case I'm using a Windows Explorer environment, and it does just allow me to run, and then it will install, having asked me a couple of questions. I can just agree and go through to the install process, which will take a few minutes, and once it's installed I'll be able to log on using the same account number and password that I had before.